Squadro, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get 4 of your pieces to the opposite side of the board and back. Lay out the board and each player sets up their 5 colored pieces behind their starting line in their starting zone, with each piece's pointed end, which indicates the piece direction, pointing towards the other end of the board. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you must move 1 of your 5 pieces. Pieces move in a straight line the number of spaces as indicated by the number of dots at its starting space at the end of the board directly behind it. Dots are located on both sides of the space, so you can see them no matter which side of the board you are on. Only use one side for movement, do not add them together. Unless prevented from doing so, a piece always moves its entire movement. When a piece crosses the board, it stops at the end and turns around and stops, even if it had more available movement left. Pieces that turn around then have a new movement speed. When a piece makes it back to start, it is removed from the board. Pieces move over opponents' pieces that are in the way and stop at the very next space beyond that piece, even if they had more moves remaining. Additionally, the opposing piece that was jumped is returned to the starting point of the current leg of the journey it is on, so either the start space or the turnaround space. If your piece ends on the same space as another piece, then your piece goes to the next available space beyond that piece, sending back all the opponent's pieces it travels over. The first player to get 4 pieces across the board, then back again, wins.